we're trying to do a lot less of is the random acts of marketing, and really focusing our dollars on areas where we see higher return. And that has been a really leading indicator for us on how to do that more effectively. So I think we're 300% better click-through rates when we use intent. So then the argument became, what else should we be doing with this information? So we do a lot of cross-sell, upsell at Salesforce, and a big way for us to leverage that is using AI-driven propensity-to-buy models. So initially, we would look at our own data sets as the primary driver for what that was. So service cases, product usage, contacts in the system, account engagement, all of the standard stuff. And we'd reach a critical mass where we'd say, this account's ready to buy. We weren't seeing the conversion that we thought we would from an AI-driven model like that. So we started to look to external sources to validate that. Can we prove that these accounts that look like they're ready to buy are actually interested to buy? So initially that became, let's just use intent data as a validation step. So if it looks like they're interested in a billing solution, are they searching for billing solutions? So by baking that in, we saw those PTB rates go way up. So then the concept became, let's add this into the initial data set before we actually extrapolate results. Let's use intent data as a far more wide-reaching indicator of what these accounts are interested in. So that's helped us build PTB to be a much more robust performer. It's connected us with the sales reps, which I'll come back to in a minute, in a way that not as quite sophisticated as these guys are doing, but has still been beneficial for us. And what we really did to change that was prospects and net new accounts are really important for us. And we had not been thinking about using intent data as a way to do that more effectively. So some of our data science team has built out what we call prospect account intelligence. So now we're looking for accounts that are showing signals of buying Salesforce at a more solution level. So it gives us a broader reach across intent signals. It's not as specific as it might be otherwise, but we can start to identify accounts that look like they're ready to buy. And then we can bring the full power of our marketing platform and digital platform to bear on those folks, which includes SDR outreach and BDR outreach and events, which we do really well. But that's been a great way for us to do a lot better at converting new accounts that came in. Before it was, the flywheel of marketing. Let's keep putting the message out there. Let's keep looking for ways to target effectively across all of the digital tactics, and let's try to drive these guys in and fill out a form. Now we know ahead of time, they're interested, the chances are high, and I think I want to say we're 4 or 5x better at converting those accounts using the intent.